Hi guys, and thanks for joining me. Today we're making a fast and simple recipe, no churn ice cream. 2 ingredients and no fancy equipment needed. So let's get started. For the ice cream base, we only need cream and condensed milk. And then comes the fun part, flavors and toppings. Today we're making 2 ice creams, raspberry and cookies, for which you'll need cream and condensed milk for the base, raspberry fruit filling for the raspberry ice cream, and cookies for the cookie ice cream, as well as vanilla extract. First, we'll whip up 400 grams of cream in a large bowl. You can use whipping cream as well, but I'm using regular cream because it's more widely available. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This helps to give the ice cream base a neutral taste so it doesn't taste too much like condensed milk. Now we'll use a hand blender to whip the cream until thick and fluffy. You can use a regular whisk, but it'll just take a little more effort. This is a consistency you're looking for where it's thicker and it has more volume than before. To complete our base, we'll add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Once the condensed milk is mixed and well, this can go straight into the freezer and you'll get vanilla ice cream. But today we'll make 2 fun flavors. I've split the base into 2 portions for 2 ice creams. For our cookie ice cream, I'm chopping up some Oreos and chocolate chip cookies. We'll add 1/4 cup of cookies to our ice cream. You can use any cookies you like. I added a lot more, but that's the fun part. You can add as much as you like and whatever you like. Now I'll layer the ice cream base into an aluminum container. You can use any freezer-safe container. Now I'll add our chopped cookies and just save a few so you can add to the top of the ice cream as a garnish. For the raspberry ice cream, I'm using a 1/2 cup of canned pie filling. The reason for that is it doesn't taste too sweet on its own and it won't get icy and difficult to eat once it's frozen solid. After you've mixed in the raspberry well, swirl some on top as a garnish. There is one difficult thing about this recipe, and that's the wait. Be sure to freeze this ice cream for at least 6 hours, or best if overnight. So that's the cinnamon curls, no equipment, easy 2 ingredient ice cream. Creamy, customized, and so fun to make. You can get the family involved and have an ice cream party, and everyone can make their own combos and flavors. When you scoop it, be sure to dip your metal spoon into some hot water for easier scooping, or try serving it sliced. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this recipe, and if you make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Cinnamon Curls. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Cinnamon Curls. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Bye!